In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an audiobook in the Audible app on your iPhone. We'll walk through the exact steps so you can save a title for offline listening, even when you don't have a signal. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. This is the orange icon with a small sound wave. Once the app is open, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Library. Your library is where everything you own lives, so going here ensures you're working with titles that are ready to download instead of browsing the store. At the top of the library, you'll see Filters. Tap Audiobooks to narrow the view to just your audiobook collection. This filter is helpful if you also follow podcasts or have other content. Selecting audiobooks keeps the list focused and easier to manage. Next, tap the search icon. It's the magnifying glass in the top right corner of the screen. If you have a lot of titles, this is the fastest way to find what you need. Type the name of the audiobook or the author, then look through the results that appear within your library. You're aiming to locate the specific audiobook you want to download. If you see a price tag instead of a download option, that means the item isn't in your library. Make sure you're viewing owned content. When you found your audiobook, look for the small download arrow next to the title. The arrow typically points downward, signaling that the file is available to save to your device. Tap that arrow to begin the download. You'll notice the icon change to show progress, often a small circle that fills as the file downloads. Keep the app open and let it work. A stable connection will help the download move along smoothly, and larger books may take a little longer. Wait until the arrow changes to a play button. That play icon is your confirmation that the download is complete. At this point, the audiobook is stored on your iPhone, so you can listen offline without using data. If you ever don't see the play button yet, give it a moment to finish. The icon will update as soon as the download wraps up. And that's all there is to it. You opened the Audible app or went to your library, filtered for audiobooks, used search to find your title, tapped the download arrow, and waited for it to turn into a play button. Repeat the same steps for any other audiobooks you want to keep on your device for offline listening.